Hey, Dr. Delvin. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I thank you for reaching out and asking for this free video. So, as you can see, we are on your website. It looks like a pretty basic website. You have a little bit of content with some national keywords. Um, okay. So, in order to rank your website and get those organic leads and those new patients to find you, um, your website should have on the homepage approximately 1,500 words or 150 words for every buyer intent location based keyword that you're trying to target. Those are going to be keywords because that your patients are actually searching for, whether it's chiropractic or a specific type of chiropractic care, cervical spine, or whatever specialties you might have. Um, and they're going to be looking specifically in their area. So, having terms like chiropractic, that is a national or global term, and is really hard to be able to rank on the first page for, generally speaking. So you want to have those buyer intent keywords and go after that content strategy. Um, and so Google and browsers, they have little crawlers that go across the internet. They're like little computers, and they index all of your pages for those keywords. So it doesn't matter how nice your website looks. What matters is the content and the keywords on those pages so that you can be found for your services. And you need to make sure that every service you provide, if you have more than just one type of chiropractic, should each have their own page. And if you have more than one service area or location, those should have their own page if they're outside of Berlin. So let's take a look at one of your competitors. Cairo House is one of your top organic competitors. They have a fairly decent looking website. And they have some good content. Looks like they're using a lot more of the buyer intent location based keywords as well. So in order to beat these guys, you need to make sure that you have more content. Um, and you're going after the same keywords. So more content, more keywords, um, to be able to beat these guys. So now if I go over to this program here, this is called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. As you can see right here, your website rating is a 2.5 out of 100, which has everything to do with your backlinks and referring domains. The referring domain is just one website that refers something to your website. Um, and having this low rating shows that the referring domains and backlinks are of really low quality. Not all backlinks are created equal. Currently, you're only being indexed for 63 keywords, and you're seeing 49 people to your website organically on a monthly basis. If we look at your competitor, they only have a rating of a 10, and they've got 432 backlinks, which also says that most of these backlinks are spammy and junk backlinks. But in order to beat them, in addition to the content and your keywords, you need to have more backlinks and better quality backlinks. They're being indexed for over 600 different keywords. And so they're actually seeing over 2,000 people to their website organically every month. So you definitely have to work on your content and keywords and your backlinks. And just to go over backlinks real quick, a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives the traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant the website is that links to you, the higher it's going to help you rank in Google. And these links need to be associated to the keywords on each of your pages. You also need to make sure you're going after do follow backlinks, because then they will actually share the power of their high ranking sites with you and help you rank faster to get those organic leads and to get those new patients calling and coming in the door. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations. So when your patient does a search in Google, one of the first things that might pop up are going to be ads, but then it's going to be this Google My Business section or the Google Maps. And your goal needs to be in the top 3 of this section, because nearly 30% of all patients will come here and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3, you're sending all your new patients to your competitors. So in order to get here and stay in this position, has to do with citations, which is the name of your business, your address, your phone number, and your website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. You need to have a lot more of those than your top competitors. There's other factors as well, but that is the biggest one. So now I know you're probably wondering, what do I do now? You see, if you follow the tips that I've given you today, you can become #1 across Google for all of your services and all of your pages for each of your keywords. You could actually own the entire first page if you put the work into it. So you're probably wondering, what should you do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education to help you get those new patients. However, if you decide that that you would actually like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and respond to my email and we can schedule a chat, or give me a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.